Hey guys, my name is Giulliana and I would like to explain why I came up to set up the G9 with the acoustic kit and play live shows with this setup. So first of all, I was playing with different brands and different kind of setups with electronic kit and acoustic kit. But when I found Geva, makes my life easy especially because how to load sounds, how to set up the set list, and how to play around. It's easy because we have all touchscreen here. So I would like to show you how fast you can play around your kit and hybrid kit. This kind of music that I'm playing currently, it needs a lot of electronic sounds and of course mixing with the acoustic kit. I'm trying to add the same sounds as the original that you can hear online. When I upload the sounds, I'm gonna show you an example. So this one. Another example, I have a stack this side and a stack from this side, so I can combine both with different sound. I was changing the sound and putting some effects on this one, and I can have both totally different, but I like the mix of those together. So this is one of the rhythms that I was playing in the song. Also adding the snare. So you can hear the difference between this snare and this one because I changed some delays, reverb, and everything. And now I show you how it sounds this stock with this snare. Okay, one of the big pros playing with the G9 and electronic pads it's that you can change the sound of every pad and every song. So you can just get one sound for this stack for the first song, and you can change it for the second song, and you can save it. You just have to put the set list on, and then you're ready to play with all the sounds that you made it. So have fun creating your own sounds and enjoy this video.